You wake up feeling perfectly normal. Your heart is beating. Your lungs are breathing. Nothing seems unusual. But beneath your skin, a war has already begun. Millions of microscopic invaders are trying to enter your body every single day. Most of them never succeed. You never notice them. You never thank the army protecting you. At this very second, cells are hunting enemies that you will never see. Others are building weapons. Some are sacrificing themselves to save you. If they stopped for even a few hours, you probably wouldn't survive. This battle has been raging for hundreds of millions of years. Long before humans existed. Long before dinosaurs walked the earth. Every living creature has been forced into this endless arms race. The winners lived. The losers disappeared forever. Your immune system is the latest version of a machine that evolution has been upgrading for over 500 million years. And the war never ends. In 1882, Russian biologist Elie Metchnikoff made a strange discovery. While studying tiny transparent sea creatures, he noticed certain cells surrounding and swallowing foreign objects. Instead of ignoring the invaders, these cells attacked them. He called the process phagocytosis. Today, we know these cells as phagocytes. They are among your body's first responders. Imagine a burglar entering a house. Before the police arrive, a neighbor tackles the intruder. That is exactly how these cells behave. The moment bacteria cross your skin, phagocytes rush toward the danger. They surround the invader. They trap it. Then they digest it. The enemy simply disappears. But bacteria are far from helpless. Many reproduce every 20 minutes. A single bacterium can become millions within a single day. How can your body possibly keep up? The answer lies in communication. Your immune cells are constantly talking to one another. Not with words. With chemical signals. The instant one cell detects danger, it releases molecular alarms. Nearby cells receive the message. Blood vessels widen. More immune cells pour into the battlefield. That is why an infected cut becomes red, warm, and swollen. It looks unpleasant. But those symptoms are signs that your defenses are fully awake. Sometimes the enemy is too clever. Viruses don't simply invade your body. They invade your own cells. Once inside, they hijack the cell's machinery. Instead of making healthy proteins, the cell begins producing thousands of new viruses. Your own body becomes the enemy's factory. How do your defenses stop an attack hidden inside your own cells? This is where another remarkable soldier enters the battle. Killer T cells. These cells patrol your body looking for infected cells. Every healthy cell displays tiny protein fragments on its surface like an identification badge. When a virus infects the cell, that badge changes. The killer T cell notices immediately. It doesn't try to rescue the infected cell. It destroys it completely. One life is sacrificed to save millions. Would you destroy part of yourself to save the whole? Your immune system makes that decision every day, and it never hesitates. Meanwhile, another division of your immune army is preparing something even more powerful. Antibodies. These tiny proteins are among the most precise weapons in nature. Each antibody is designed to attach to one specific target, like a key fitting only one lock. When an antibody finds its matching virus or bacterium, it sticks tightly. Now the invader becomes impossible to hide. Other immune cells quickly recognize the marked target and eliminate it. The attack becomes faster, cleaner, more efficient. This is why your body remembers diseases. After an infection ends, special memory cells remain behind. Years later, if the same virus returns, those cells recognize it almost instantly. The second battle is often over before you even feel sick. Your body learned, and it never forgot. This ability to remember changed human history. In 1796, the English physician Edward Jenner noticed something unusual. Milkmaids who caught the mild disease cowpox rarely became infected with the deadly disease smallpox. Jenner tested an extraordinary idea. He exposed a young boy to cowpox. Later, he exposed him to smallpox. The boy never became sick. It was one of the first successful vaccinations. For the first time, humans had learned how to train the immune system without fighting a deadly battle first. Almost 2 centuries later, smallpox became the first human disease to be completely eradicated. Not by stronger medicine, but by teaching billions of immune systems what to expect. Yet victory always comes with a cost. Sometimes the immune system becomes confused. Instead of attacking invaders, it attacks the body itself. In autoimmune diseases, the soldiers mistake their own home for the enemy. Healthy cells become targets. Inflammation never stops. The battle continues without an invader. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and type 1 diabetes are examples of this tragic mistake. The weapons that normally keep us alive begin causing damage instead. Even allergies begin with confusion. A harmless grain of pollen, peanut, or a cat's fur. None of these are trying to invade your body. Yet the immune system sometimes reacts as though they are life-threatening enemies. Histamine floods your tissues. Your nose runs. Your eyes water. Your throat may even begin to close. The danger is real, but the target is not. Why would evolution allow such mistakes? Because missing a genuine threat was often far more dangerous than reacting too strongly. For most of human history, parasites, bacteria, and deadly infections were everywhere. A false alarm was inconvenient. A missed attack could be fatal. Natural selection favored caution, even when caution occasionally overreacted. Researchers like Charles Janeway and Polly Matzinger helped reshape how scientists understand this balance. Their work showed that the immune system is not simply searching for anything foreign. It is constantly asking a more important question. Is this dangerous? That single decision determines whether billions of cells remain calm or launch a full-scale attack. Every breath you take brings thousands of microscopic organisms into your body. Every meal carries unfamiliar molecules. Every cut opens a temporary doorway into your bloodstream. Yet almost every day your immune system makes the correct choice. Silently, constantly, without your permission, without your awareness. You have never seen these soldiers. You will never meet them. They do not ask for recognition. They simply continue fighting, day after day, year after year. From the moment you were born until your final heartbeat. The strange truth is that you are not a single individual living alone inside your body. You are the home of trillions of cells, each performing its own tiny role. Some carry oxygen. Some build bone. Some send thoughts across your brain. And some spend their entire existence standing guard. Your life depends on countless invisible sacrifices that happen every second. The greatest battle in human history is not being fought across nations or oceans. It is being fought beneath your skin. And if that invisible army wins today, you will probably never even notice. That may be the most remarkable victory of all.